Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day
29.
Day 29. If you've missed days 1 through 28, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist and I will link it above and below. And this is Juliet and I's 4th year of doing Vlogtober. So if you like countdown videos and you're new to finding us, I have linked all of our past Vlogtobers playlists in the description below. So go check that out. Today we have one gift to open. Is it family?
It's family.
It's family, so Juliet opens family. You were right!
I'm so good at guessing these things.
You are! What are these even called?
Projections.
You're right.
Lights.
Okay, you're right. Show everybody. That's cute. It's like ghosts and... Wow, you can even see it on our ceiling. So that is a pretty good projection. Wow. That's awesome. This is really cute. We do have an NBC one. So I'm pretty sure my mom got this at Walmart. But this is also like the side what it looks like. Could they see when you were doing it like this? Here. There we go. Awesome. This is super fun. This is definitely something we'll keep inside. I don't know. Can you use these outside? Doesn't say. I'm assuming indoor.
You can use anything outside if you want to.
Okay, that's true, but like, unfortunately, when it rains, it can ruin a lot of things, which is a bummer. It rains, well, it tends to rain a lot here in October, not this October.
Yeah, it's dry.
It's very dry. Okay, that is it for day 29. We have 2 days left.
And then it's Halloween.
And then it's Halloween. Also, I have been talking a lot, well, not a lot, but in other videos, we have talked about our, Halloween costume, and we did do a family Halloween photo shoot in September. I have already, if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, I have already shared what it was. I have already done a reel and I've posted some of the photos. So I have our social medias linked in the description. If you want to go see that now, go for it. I do plan on having an actual YouTube video with the photos on Halloween. My goal is to release it on Halloween. So if you want to wait, awesome. But if you want to go see what it is now, go check out our social medias and you will see it there. Okay, we will see you guys tomorrow for day 30. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.